No, look, let's get the game plan together. We do this at work every day. All right.
Here we go.
Here we go. Size truck is sitting right here, okay? We're all lined up here right now, okay? This is the road going around his future shop. Kind of looks like a penis. We're gonna take the Lowboy. We're gonna go around the future penis driveway, and we're gonna go out. We're gonna hook a left, and Dollar General is right here.
No, you gotta hang it right.
Yeah, you gotta go right.
But it don't make a shit.
It does.
We're in Oklahoma.
I've got a map in my head and it's wrong.
We're hanging right here?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. So we're gonna hang it right.
There you go.
How far are we going down?
Keep going. Keep going.
Whoa! Close. Did I go too far?
Yeah, you went. Yeah, right in there.
That's Dollar General?
Yeah, that's pretty close.
X marks the spot.
Okay. Do we need an escort? You got over with?
What do you want me to say?
We got banners
You got banners?
all day.
You got
permits.
We got flags.
I don't have lights on to get an oversized load,
Yeah.
but Cy brought a detach all the way out here with skid steer on it, so I think we can get it
That's
loaded.
what it's going to take. We don't have anything else out here. That's why it got missed. We didn't have another way
Okay,
to haul it.
let's go, Cy.
All
We gotta
right.
make this happen.
Let's make it happen.
All right.
Let's hook up.
I love that one. 4, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Is that you? Come on, bud. Traffic, watch your crossroads here. Come on back.
We gotta get there fast.
Hey, come on. Emergency situation.
We got 40 guys there.
Trucks, you know.
We got 40 thirsty guys there.
Man, I don't ever got my truck like this, but I will for TreyBo. Come on. This is a big deal here. You know, moving these trucks is always dangerous. Everybody's got to be on their A game, really watching your mirrors and stuff. Hell of a load we're going to pick up. He's going to have some trouble getting in and out of some of these places, but it's all about having the right equipment and the expertise and experience for the job, which we've got here with Cy and TreyBo, so they know. You know, the rigging on this load is very important, and making sure you get everything tied down and safe. Safety is first. We want to make sure we're not going to lose nothing going down the highway. So excited for you guys to see this load we're hauling here. Two-way stop there. Make sure you watch that cross traffic. Come on.
What kind of funky beer packs y'all got out here in Oklahoma? No, it's not. These are 18 packs. Okay, so they sell the cargo a little different out here. Think that'll be enough for them? We don't want to get them drunk. You know what? Who gives a fuck? Let's get them 3. I hope this will all fit on the trailer. Got beer? That lady in there, she didn't want to be on camera. You know when somebody's got a warrant.
I want y'all to take note of what he's got going on here. I actually taught Cy everything he knows about chaining stuff down, and we used to not trust him with this big of a load. Now he's all into the big loads. I mean,
True heavy hauling at its finest.
Yeah.
And I was 400 miles down Highway 10. All of a sudden I was arrested again. They told me 8 years in the county pen, or 8 years in the army killing evil men. Oh, Whiskey River, take me home.
Got a big load on today. Well, TreyBo needs a haul. You know us. When you call, we haul. Come on back.
The river, they ruined my world. Oh, Uncle Sam, I wanna go home. I had a whiskey drinking fever that I could not shake, and those girls downtown were more than I could take. The high-waisted Rockies and the sailors' mouths, boys in the back of the bar screaming.